Good morning, students. Today again I am here for discussing the remaining adjustment of depreciation with you people. Adjustment of depreciation becomes difficult in some cases. So, we have to discuss the concept of depreciation in two cases. First case is when fixed assets. Hereby I have taken the example of machinery account on the basis of written down value method. Second type is when machinery is maintained on original cost method and accumulated depreciation account is also prepared side by side. In the first method, we have to prepare only machinery account. Hereby to balance BD, you write the opening balance of machinery account. By balance CD, you write the closing balance of machinery account. Now, by the way, during the year you sell a machinery, that will be shown here by bank account. If whenever you sell a machinery, depreciation is charged over that also, and on the remaining machinery, that is depreciation, that is also shown in the credit side of asset account. And third, if there is loss on sale of machinery, we show it here by statement of profit and loss, that is loss on sale of asset. If there is profit on sale of asset, you will show it in the debit side of machinery account to statement of P&L, and this is profit. Then you have to balance the account. If credit side total is higher than debit side total, then there will be the balancing figure to bank account, and that will be the purchase of machinery. Now my point is, you have so many items. Which items are to be shown at which places in cash flow statement? You see by bank account, that is selling price. Machinery sold by you during the year. This amount is to be shown by you in cash flow statement as an inflow in investing activity. First thing, I am putting it into a box that will be shown under investing activity as an inflow. Second item is depreciation. What to do of depreciation? Depreciation is shown in, depreciation is added in net profit before tax and extraordinary item to calculate operating profit before working capital changes, as it is a non-cash expense. So, depreciation will be added back. Third thing, by statement of profit and loss, this is loss on sale of asset. That will also find a place in cash flow statement. It will be added in net profit before tax and extraordinary item to calculate operating profit before working capital changes. So, depreciation and loss on sale of machinery both will be added back. What about profit? If there is profit on sale of machinery, what to do? That will be subtracted in cash flow statement. At which place? It will be subtracted from net profit before tax and extraordinary item to calculate operating profit before working capital adjustment. And to bank account, this shows the purchase of fixed asset, and it will be shown under investing activity as an outflow. So, this is full description of the asset account and its depreciation treatment and its purchase and sale aspect and loss on sale and profit on sale of the asset. All these things are explained with the help of an account, and then it is told to you that how to show them in cash flow. Again, by bank, cash flow investing activity inflow, by depreciation added back in operating activity, by statement of P&L, that is loss on sale added back in operating activity, then to statement of P&L profit, that is subtracted in the process of calculating cash flow from operating activity, and to bank account, that is purchase of asset, it will be shown under investing activity as an outflow. This method is used when we prepare machinery on written down value method. Second method, when machinery is prepared on original cost method. Hereby, depreciation is not charged in the machinery or fixed asset account, rather this account is maintained separately. In that, what you have to do? You have to prepare two accounts simultaneously. In the machinery account, to balance BD is opening balance of the asset, by balance CD is the closing balance of the asset. Hereby, in accumulated depreciation account is by balance BD is the opening balance of accumulated depreciation or provision for depreciation, and to balance CD is the closing balance. Hereby, these things you will post. After that, if you sell the machinery during the year, that is by bank account in the machinery account. And second thing, if you sell the machinery, you have to make a transfer entry. That transfer entry is posted in debit of accumulated depreciation account and credit of machinery account. Accumulated depreciation means whatever depreciation has been charged up to the time of sale over this piece of machinery, that is debited to machinery account in accumulated depreciation account and credited to machinery account. Then after calculation, if there comes a loss on sale of machinery, that is by statement of P&L, and if there is profit on sale of machinery, we show it to statement of P&L. Then after balancing the account, if there is some balancing figure in the debit side, that shows purchase of machinery. In accumulated depreciation account, we have filled in three informations, and when we will balance the account, we will get by statement of profit and loss, that is depreciation charge during the year, you will get the balancing figure. Now the question is, what item are you going to show in cash flow statement? Accounts we have prepared, and in accounts we are using different things, but which items are to be used in cash flow statement? By bank account, that will be shown as an inflow in investing activity. By accumulated depreciation, it won't be shown in cash flow statement anywhere. By loss on sale of asset, that will again be added back in operating activity. By balance CD is not to be shown anywhere in cash flow statement. To balance BD is not to be shown anywhere in the cash flow statement. Profit on sale, that will be subtracted in the process of calculating operating profit before working capital changes. And if there has been any balancing figure in the debit side, that is purchase of machinery, it will be shown as an investing activity as an outflow. So we will putting these four items: bank account, sale as an inflow in investing activity, loss on sale of machinery added back in added back to calculate operating profit. Profit on sale of machinery will be subtracted, and purchase of machinery will be shown as an outflow in investing activity. And which item of accumulated depreciation is to be used in our cash flow statement? Only this item. Student, please check carefully. This is depreciation charge during the year. That is the balancing figure usually in this account, and you have to add it into net profit before tax and extraordinary item to calculate operating profit before working capital changes. So that thing we have discussed, and that's all about this topic. Thank you all.